The blossom for peaches is at its peak. Farmers take care of these beautiful orchards throughout the year until peaches reach their full ripeness. The timing of the harvest is a key point, as it directly impacts the flavor, texture, and overall quality of the fruit. And here these men are working hard to harvest fresh peaches and give us the exact crispiness we all crave. Finally, they are ready to dispatch for further touch-ups. The natural sugars in peaches can help boost your mood and give you a little pick-me-up when you need it most. Once they reach the dedicated units, simple machinery is applied to load and unload the pile of peaches directly into the unit's threshold. Here, they're greeted by an initial washing process to ensure they're free from any dirt, residue, or impurities picked up during their time in the orchard. Now these people are responsible to keep an eye on the fruits until they get their thorough inspection. They will be passed on to different sorts of belting systems, with several designs and huge fans, which will further help to clean the peaches entirely. You can see how these wonderful machines have systematically placed the peaches in proper lines. There it is, the perfectly clean, shiny, and beautiful fruit treasure, ready to come your way. In some cases, the peaches may undergo additional treatments, such as waxing or coating to enhance their appearance and extend their shelf life. These treatments create a protective barrier that helps prevent moisture loss and microbial growth, ensuring that the peaches remain fresh and delicious for longer periods. When it comes to delicious canned peaches, the journey begins with the careful selection of only the finest fruit. Only the juiciest, ripest peaches cut. They use marvelous technologies and procedures to can the fresh peaches. But first, let's just talk about some of the health benefits they give. We must consume this fresh fruit and nature's gift because it scares away the dull, dry skin and gives it a peachy glow. Actually, peaches are loaded with antioxidants and vitamins that help nourish your skin from the inside out, leaving you looking fresh and radiant. In some factories, they involve one more important step, which is peeling, ensuring that only the succulent flesh makes its way into the cans. But here they left the skin onto the fruit, so it would remain crispy and fresh whenever we consume it. The skin is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Once the industrial ovens bake the wafer sheets to perfection, the huge chocolate depositor comes into action and evenly spreads a thick layer of yummiest rich chocolate over the wafer sheet. The wafers are neatly cut and ready to pack, so at least we can buy them in the nearest superstore, right? Let me be clear. Aside from their irresistible crunch and delicious flavor, I think banana chips are a convenient and portable snack that can be enjoyed anytime, anywhere. Chips and snacks are often misunderstood as an unsuitable way of consuming tons of oil, but not every time, buddy. Banana chips, if air-fried properly, are packed with essential vitamins and minerals. They're a good source of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and support heart health. Actually, the potassium dude helps to counteract the effects of sodium in the body, which can help to lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases such as heart disease and stroke. However, it's important to note that banana chips can also be high in calories and fat, especially if they are fried or coated in sugar. So they should be consumed in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Plus, they contain vitamin C and B6, which play key roles in immune function and energy metabolism. So, in general, just avoid overeating and stay healthy, because you really are precious to us.